Here we are in the northern Sacramento-San Joaquin Delta in California, where water has always shaped the landscape. This region is recognized as some of the most important native fish habitat areas in the Delta. It provides connected habitat that supports species across the multiple stages of their life cycles. Through partnerships with the Trust for Public Land, the Reclamation District, and federal and state agencies, RES established the North Delta Fish Conservation Bank as a permanently protected restoration site in the Delta. Designed at a landscape scale, the project reconnects tidal channels, marsh, seasonal floodplains, repairing habitat, and open water into a functional tidal system. This is restoration shaped not only by design, but by the return of tidal processes to a historic landscape. And in the North Delta, the return of tidal processes is helping restore the connections that once made this landscape thrive.